Hey everyone, this is Frugal Panda here with a quick review of the ROEDIX Air Duster. This is a 3-gear keyboard cleaner electric air duster. It's great to get rid of wasting your money on compressed air cans. You know how those are. I used to love them back in the day. After a while though, they get kind of pricey. This is all inclusive for what this costs. You save a lot of money using this over like canned air that you'd get at like a computer store like Best Buy or whatever. Anyway, what I'm doing right now is unboxing it. It came from Amazon. It came really fast. It was super lightning quick getting here. Opening it up, you can see it comes with quite a few accessories. Many of the accessories give it multiple uses. That the big ones like that go on the back, so you can actually suck air out from the other side. Not use it as a vacuum, however, but like say you were inflating something and you needed to pull the air out quicker, you'd put the bigger accessory on the back of it and utilize it for that. I have another ROEDIX, but I have a smaller version of this, and this one is much bigger. Here's the charging cable. It is a USB-C charging. It has a 6000 mAh rechargeable battery built in. You charge with the USB-C cord. It weighs, I'd say, around a pound, 12.8 ounces, I believe, but it feels really solid in your hand. It does not feel cheap, and I can say that for a fact. It does not feel cheap. This will run continuously for 30 minutes. It can be fully charged within 2 hours. As you can see right there, there's all accessories, a nice little carrying bag. You can go through the different speeds on it. It has like three speeds of it. Comes with 6 sets of nozzles and brushes. So you can use for keyboards, keyboard fans, windows, cars, household cleaning, inflating swimming pools, accessories, things like that. The little thin, long nozzles can be used like for corners and all that stuff to knock the dust out of it. There's the one with the little brush on it right there, which is really cool. Lifetime service it has with it. It has they provide a lifetime service, which I believe they mean by lifetime warranty on it. You may need to verify that, but it came from Amazon, so I don't worry too much about it. And a lot of times they also offer extended warranties on it if you need it. Yes, I really like this. The one I had before was decent, but this one is strong, super strong to utilize. There's your USB-C charging port right there. Real simple to use. Everyone has a bunch of those. The one that goes on the back like that, that's what I was talking about. So that's to like suck out air really fast if you need like to pull the air out really quick out of like a little inflatable boat or something like that. I'm going to be testing this with different things that I have around the house that I would use it for. It has 3 gear speeds, if I didn't say that all yet. It also has an LED light on the front. I may have show it in the video, but the picture is like the light that's on your drill. If you have a drill, when you hit the button, you have that little light in the front. So it does have a little light. First gear is the slowest, second gear is the middle gear, and the third gear is their fastest gear, actually. You can use it not just for like water inflatables, but like say to put up a bed, like a little inflatable bed. A lot of people have. I really do like this in regards to that, especially with the size of the battery and how long it can actually last. Here I am inflating one of my inflatable tubes that we use at the reservoir and on our lakes out here in beautiful Colorado. It actually does it really fast once I got the hang of it and figured out how to use it. You know, and it was cool. I was like, oh, this is great. This does not take up a lot of room. Here I am not just knocking some quick Bondo off real quick just to give you a, and I've used the other ROEDIX, the smaller one, for this too. And I'll use this to blow it off before I clean it off and all that stuff. Works really well. Make sure you wear a mask when you're doing stuff with Bondo. There I'm just using it on my PC. My PC is actually pretty clean because I use the older ROEDIX all the time for it. So mine wasn't super dirty like that. Anyway, I highly recommend this ROEDIX Air Duster. This upgraded, bigger one is very nice. It's available on Amazon. I'll leave links in the description. Everyone, thanks for watching. Frugal Panda is out. Bye.